Hey guys, how's everybody doing? We're here at Regional Homes in Punta Gorda, Florida on Tamiami Trail. Tamiami Trail. We got Tampa Tammy running the camera, and you got Pasco Paul right here. See, we're taken from Sarasota Tim. We're learning. You live in Florida, you gotta have a name. So anyway, we're in a Winston home made by Winston out of Alabama, Winston Home Builders. This one's called the Naples. I believe it's a 14 by 50 and it's 495 square feet. This is a HUD home. Tammy took you out around the outside. We had the Trek decking, the vinyl wrapped posts. We have the metal rails around that big porch, and you have the hardy board siding. Inside you'll see sheetrock, crown molding, and you will see this shiplap. Just an amazing home. This one's got some really cool features. We've been here at Regional Homes for a bit. We've got about 4 or 5 models we're videotaping. So look for those other videos, please, and check them out. Tammy's showing you the living dining area, and this is a big space. You've got a large full-size window here. You've got your fiberglass door here with your 6 lights above to give you plenty of light. You've got another window here flanking. They've staged it with this little cupboard, but you can put your television there if you want to watch television in here. Your dining space here, you can see the room. They've got room for an L-shaped couch, and then you've also got plenty of dining space. They've got this built-in
banquette.
And then this table that they put in here, but you can configure this with a longer table if you wanted to get plenty of seating. The cool thing is it's just roomy. I mean, you could be sitting here eating dinner if you're home alone and watching television if you want, and plenty of space for entertaining guests. You walk back here into your kitchen. Your kitchen is a galley style. You've got your...
But it's a wider galley, right?
Yeah, it's a very wide galley. It's not a boat galley by any means. Thermostat here on the wall. You get your standard light switches. You've got, first thing to the left, full-size refrigerator. This one is a...
Whirlpool.
Yeah, Whirlpool. And I'm just...
Side by side.
Side by side, and you got all this cabinetry around. This is kind of a theme in these homes here we've seen, because I'm going to tell you, while we're here looking at the kitchen, Regional Homes is big on package deals, because we're down here in South Central Florida. This is where people come to retire in the 55 plus communities. So you're not really getting these park models or tiny homes or whatever you want to call them. However you want to term it. This is a HUD home. You're not really getting them to go sit on the lake and just visit once a week. You know, these are for permanent dwelling. This is permanent home. So they're putting just packing lots of storage in here as much as possible. Now, as you get into the galley, you'll see your full-size range. And that's another thing. They're putting full-size appliances in here. They're not putting your little scrunchy 2-burner gas stoves or anything like that like an RV. You've got soft closed drawers. Got 4 drawers here. You've got a drawer in the cabinet here. Now above, they have chosen to go with the tile backsplash, and this is tiled. And Tammy has mentioned in another video, you don't see grout a lot of times when you come in these kitchens, and the reason is they don't want this grout popping out when you're transporting the home.
Or cracking the tile.
Cracking the tile. So because you pack that grout like it's supposed to, it will crack a tile. But this one's got this nice hood system. It's got a light in it and your fan, but you're not going to get your over the range microwave, so you don't really have a lot of space here for a microwave. You would have to use a tiny microwave if you're into tiny microwaves. And you'll also notice you don't have a dishwasher in this one, but they have put in this large farm style sink. It's got the large opening here, plenty enough room for a big skillet to wash. And it's got another bowl here.
You know, they may have an option for a dishwasher on that right side, or even on this side.
Well, you could get.
They just wanted symmetrical.
Yeah, looking for that symmetry. Got your pot filler, spring-loaded faucet. And cabinets above, these go all the way to the ceiling. And in these homes, you have your heat and air conditioning vents in the ceiling. All recessed lights except for your ceiling fans that are in your main living area. And that is your kitchen. Tammy is standing right beside the bathroom. We have, the mudroom and laundry room. And this is a unique feature of this home. I said this one has some unique features. Here it is. This has a separate mudroom. Okay?
Unique for a park model, right?
Yeah, for this. And unique to the ones here.
Right. This
one has your area for your stackable, and this is big size for a full-size stackable.
Yes.
You've got some cabinet space here. You can.
Whoa.
Oh, sorry. I didn't.
That's how you don't activate.
I didn't activate the
soft close.
Soft close, but you know you can put your detergent, your dryer sheets, and bleach and all that stuff in here if you'd like.
Mm-hmm. And look at that full-size door. That looks almost like a 36-inch front door.
Yeah.
That's pretty wide. That has to be 36.
Yeah, that's a 36-inch door.
Wow. On the back. Even regular residential homes sometimes don't have the 36. It has like a 32.
Yeah.
That's
right
interesting.
Here behind this panel, you're going to have your full-size water heater. And then your return air is here for your heating and air conditioning system. And your electrical panel is here. And again, we've got the 200 amp service. 200 amp. And because your return air is enclosed in a space, they put the open vent here.
Just in case you close that door.
In case you close that door. But you've got the private washing room for your washing machine. Your mud room for coming in, getting your shoes off. You can even put your shoes in this cabinet if you wanted to. But you're not going to hear I said this on one of the other videos. If you buy a used washer and dryer and it's a little noisy, a little cranky, you're not going to hear it when you're out there trying to watch TV or listen to Beethoven or whatever you want to do. So let's get moving back out to the kitchen, and we'll walk back to the bathroom, master bath. That's the other thing about this one. Maybe a negative. It's a unique feature, but the bathroom, you have to come in to the master to go to the bathroom. So if you've got guests over, keep your master clean. And any little things that you usually, keep them in the drawer, okay? All your little
unmentionables.
But in this master,
wow, that is a queen, or is that a king? It's a king frame, or is it?
No, this is a queen.
Okay.
This is a queen, but there's plenty of space in here. You can come around for a king. You've got two recessed lights right above the door. You've got a boob light.
Oh my! Why couldn't they just put the recess there, you guys?
Well, listen.
I'll tell you, it only takes you about 10 minutes or less to install one. I install them, and that's how long it takes.
But you've got nice cabinets on each side, flanking. You don't have your nightstand, but you've got the nice cabinets. And they did not think to put a outlet here to charge your phone for people that like to keep their phones by the bed. But there is a light switch back here. There may be a...
Right, it's the light switch for those recessed lights that are built in.
But you got two windows behind Tammy. Give you plenty of light in here if you want to come in and relax and read a book during the afternoon.
And I like that. I like all the windows are on one side. I like that. I don't like windows on two sides or three sides.
Now this home has the sheet vinyl, as best I can tell. I haven't found it.
It is, but it's gorgeous. We love it.
Pretty. You walk into the bath. You do have a farm style door.
I wish we had saw this when we put our floors down in our kitchen. We would have just put this throughout this flooring.
But you've got a farm style door closing off.
That's neat.
Bathroom.
I like the color of that. It's very pretty and unique.
Look at that shower. It's all tiled. Got a glass slider. It's about a 10-inch step up into the shower. It's got your one-piece fiberglass bottom, and then it's got tile all the way around, and it's got the big rain head shower. And a recessed light over the shower, and a recessed light over here near the vanity area, but you also have a over the vanity light fixture, that's a nice looking light fixture. And you've got a porcelain sink. You've got a standard toilet, elongated, but you can get a seat height, I'm sure.
Right, upgrade.
And then you've got plenty of cabinet space under here for whatever you want to store with the soft closed drawers. Here's your slider. But we'll open it
No
back up
soft
for
close
more
on
light.
that, just a bump.
Yeah, just bumps. And then another unique feature, they have tucked your master closet or your
In
older
this
closet
corner.
back here. It has a recessed light. Of course, power's not hooked up now, so the video is probably a little dim. But you've got nice, these are the nice, they're the wooden closet rods that are wrapped with plastic to keep the wood from just looking like wood and getting nasty and dirty.
The higher end closet
Higher end,
made.
heavy duty plastic brackets and wood shelving above, so you've got plenty of storage all the way around. We like to fold up our shorts and put them up on our shelves like that because you really don't want to be hanging shorts. So that's the bathroom. And we'll get out where there's more light and I'll talk about Regional Homes. Regional Homes is in Tamiami Trail in Punta Gorda, Florida. This one is a Winston Home made in Alabama. This one is a HUD home because it is basically 14 by 50, 495 square feet, just under 500. It's called the Naples. But as we get out here, I just want to tell you, always consult with your local residential codes, whether you can, the land you want to purchase is okay for a tiny home, or if you have land, can you put a tiny home? Can you put an RV? Can you put a cabin? Can you put a shed conversion? Can you park an RV? Can you, whatever your idea of tiny home, tiny alternate living is, ADUs, we're going to look at some ADUs, even the foldable buildings, the foldable container buildings, things like that, container conversion, whatever you're looking to do, make sure your local regulations allow it. Now, I can't give you a solid price on this home because, as I said earlier, we are in Central South Florida and there are tons of 55 plus communities here, and the way Regional Homes works is they sell these homes as a package to be delivered, set up, all wrapped together and put together for a package for you individually. So they don't just normally down here just sell this house and then you go figure the rest out. But if you're interested in that, you're going to have to contact them to get the pricing. I'll probably give you some ballpark ideas based on what I've seen in other parts of the country. And I may look up these models from other places. But you can contact Miss Shelley anytime. Right here is her information. And she will help you out through your home building process. She is the mobile home queen, and she will help you out. And so contact her. We're going to put a picture of this business card on our community page, and we're going to put all their information in the description of this video. So make sure you check that out. And if you're interested, give her a call. She'll hook you up. And remember, if you buy one of these, tell her we sent you, okay? Tell her we sent you. And anyway, if you like this kind of content, you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you really, really want to see more, subscribe and share it with your friends. You can hit that little arrow that goes kind of crooked with a little pointy thing right here. Share it on your social media, share it by text, share it any way you want. You can share it with your friends and let them look at our content. We try to do tiny home tours that are educational, yet we have a little a little fun with it. You know what I'm saying? We have fun, we enjoy it, and every time we hit 500 subscribers, we give away a prize. Sometimes we group them all together, like we hit 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. It's like boom, 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 boom. It's too fast for us to keep up with, but we'll do it live. We'll give away prizes.
Or sometimes we just don't have the money until a certain time,
Yeah,
so that's
sometimes
when
we're poor. We can't afford it because every little bit of scrap.
And guys, we're not begging. We're just telling you the truth here.
Yeah, we're not scamming. We're not begging. We're just saying we don't. Every little bit of money we get from YouTube, which isn't a lot, we spend it on traveling so we can film more tiny homes, because we're doing it for us as much as we're doing it for you. Because we're looking at tiny homes, we love the lifestyle. We just trying to find what's perfect for us. But we spend every little bit of money we earn going and filming. We get in these sweaty hot houses, suffering for you guys. And anyway, long story short, we spend everything on prizes for you and on our travels.
And our gas.
And our gas. When the gas is killing us.
We probably spent $500 in gas already.
Yeah, it's crazy.
And that's most of our check for this month.
Yeah. And anyway, long story short, we give back to you guys. So we'll do it live. We'll give away prizes. The way our prize live is formatted, you got to be a subscriber, and you've got to be able to answer some trivia questions. So how do you answer trivia questions? You watch as many of our videos as possible, and you learn a little funny stuff about you. Sometimes I'll plant a trivia question in a video. Sometimes it's just a little question about our grandchildren or whatever it may be, but you're going to have to answer trivia questions. And if you're the first one to answer, you win a prize. So anyway, we're done with this home. We're going to do another video of another home. We've got probably 3 more from regional homes that we've already done. So go back and look for those videos and watch those if you like these kind of homes. This is one of the better tiny places we found. So we hope you enjoy the content. Hang in there with us. We're going on to the next one. Thank you.